This clip is for my EAM students, Caltrava Senior High School. So kindly follow this diagram for your reference on our activity on the emergency learning kit. Okay. So for those who are willing to view this, watch till the end so you can have a full view of the reference diagram for the fire detection alarm system, the conventional layout, conventional fire detection alarm system. Thank you and good luck. Keep safe, everyone. Dili? Paano music ba na? Okay na. Oh. Pag no?
Dalawang pa siya. Sir, kaya ito sir, ilang pagkinapan.
Ano ba na to? Kailangan ko ano?
Ayun, ang dagat. Box.